AstraZeneca has said that its COVID-19 vaccine candidate has shown an average efficiency of about 70%. The vaccine candidate has been developed along with the University of Oxford. The one dosage regimen showed the vaccine efficacy of 90% when given as half a dose, followed by a full dose a few weeks later. Now, another dosage regimen showed 62% efficiency when given as 2 full doses at least 1 month apart. The combined analysis from both dosage regimens resulted in an average efficiency of about 70%. Even though the AstraZeneca's vaccine candidate shows low efficiency than Moderna and Pfizer's candidate, it has its own advantages. The vaccine candidate is said to be a lot cheaper, and it is also said to be much easier to store. Reports also say that it can be transported to every corner of the world. The British government has already ordered for 100 million doses of the Oxford vaccine candidate, and this will be enough for a population of 50 million people in Britain.
Intriguingly, it has an overall efficacy in our trials of 70%. But when we look into the data a bit further, in the 2 different dosing regimes we used, one of the dosing regimes has 90% efficacy and the other one has 62% efficacy. And the higher efficacy regime is better tolerated, and also there's a hint that it may have an impact on asymptomatic infection and therefore possibly transmission of the virus.
The particular vaccine candidate is said to be genetically modified common cold virus that used to infect chimpanzees. It's been altered to carry the spike protein. When a human body will be injected with the vaccine candidate, it will start producing coronavirus spike protein. The immune system will consider it as a threat and will fight against it. When the immune system comes in contact with the real virus, it will be prepared.
Governments will be purchasing this vaccine and making it available to the populations of those countries, but also Gavi, the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunisation, will be supplied with vaccine, and they can make vaccine available to low-income countries. The vaccine is not very expensive to manufacture, and also no profit will be made during the pandemic period, which also helps to keep the price of this vaccine very low.
So this will be, we believe, the least expensive COVID vaccine available going forward. Now, we have also achieved what has been quite remarkable, which is a manufacturing scale, not in the millions or the tens of millions, but in the hundreds of millions. And today, just one of those manufacturers has 100 million doses ready to be used, and that number will grow over the coming months. And the target over the next year is 3 billion doses to be provided for the world.
The British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has hailed the AstraZeneca vaccine candidate as a breakthrough, describing it as fantastic. But he also said that there are further checks that are needed. The CEO of the Serum Institute of India, Adar Poonawalla, has also hailed the development. He said that he was delighted to hear the low-cost, logistically manageable vaccine candidate will soon be widely available.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.